Hello students, we are back completing this chapter, the three questions. Last time we did page 52, 53, 54. So let me quickly revise what we did on page 54 last time. On page 54 at the end we came to know that the king's enemy who wanted to take revenge from him, king's enemy was actually in the end he became his friend. He was actually wanting to take revenge, he wanted to kill the king, but he became his friend. How did this happen? Because he tried to damage the king, he tried to kill the king, but the king was so kind to him. Although he did not know he was going to be his enemy or something, but still the king was so kind to him. He helped him, took care of him, bandaged him, and all of that. And also, over here we read in the last paragraph, if you see, the king was very glad to have made peace with an enemy so easily and have gained him a friend. Also, the last thing was, before going away, he asked the hermit the three questions 2 times, but the hermit did not answer. So he said, let me try one more time. So let's look at page 55. So the hermit was outside on his knees sowing the seeds. What was the hermit doing? Sowing seeds in the bed that had been dug the day before. The king approached. Approached means went to the hermit and said, for the last time, I pray you to answer my questions, wise man. So what is he saying? Please answer my questions. I am praying to you. You have already been answered. So the hermit is saying, I already gave you the answer. Said the hermit, still crouching. Look at this word, crouching means in a squat position. He was sitting in a duck position, squat position, on his thin legs and looking up at the king who stood before him. What do you mean? Asked the king. So now the hermit is saying, your answers have been given, but the king has not understood that. So let's see. What were the three answers? Do you not see? Replied the hermit. If you would not pitied my weakness yesterday and stayed to dig these beds for me, you would have gone back and been killed by that man. Let's mark with different pen. So the most important time was when you were digging the beds. And I was the most important man, and to do me good was your most important business. Did you understand? So what you are doing at that particular point of time was the important time, important thing, important person whom you were dealing with. Afterwards, the most important time was when you were attending to that man, for if you had not bound his wounds, he would have died. So, what I understand is, every time you do something good is the most important time. He would have died without having made peace with you. He would have died without having made peace. They would die with the enemy feeling, with a grudge. So he was the most important man, and what you did for him was the most important business. Again, see, the attending that man was the most important, and the business was to heal his wounds. And remember, then there is only one time that is important. Now is the time this is important, because it's the only time when we have any power. Do you have any power on yesterday's actions? What is done is gone. जो हो गया वो हो गया. Do you have any power on tomorrow's action? पहले you don't even know कल क्या होगा, कल होना हो, क्या पता. आज की जो पावर है, आज का जो समय है, उसकी जो शक्ति है, वो है इम्पॉर्टेंट टाइम, मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट. द मोस्ट नेसेसरी पर्सन इज़ द वन whom you are, with whom you are. जैसे अब हम घर पे हैं हमारे पेरेंट्स के साथ, स्कूल में हैं तब टीचर्स के साथ. सो दीज आर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट with whom you are. You do not know whether you will ever have dealings ना. क्या हमने कभी सोचा था कोरोना आ जाएगा और हम स्टूडेंट्स टीचर्स एक दूसरे से 2-3 महीने के लिए टच में नहीं रह पाएंगे. फिर ये ऑनलाइन शुरू किया तो टच में रहने लगे. नहीं सोचा था. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ टू डू दिस पर्सन गुड. अच्छे काम करना, बिकॉज फॉर दैट पर्पज़ अलोन वी आर सेंट इन टू दिस लाइफ. अच्छे कर्म करने के लिए हमको इस दुनिया में भेजा गया है. So you understood the 3 answers to the 3 questions. The 3 answers are, the only time is important is now. The only person who is important is with whom you are. Important is now with whom you are, and to do this person good, because this is why you were sent. Alone are the 3 answers to the 3 questions of the king. So here we finish this chapter. For homework you have to do this exercise, page 55, exercise 1, write true or false, or do all the 5. Exercise 1, exercise 2 and exercise 3 in your notebooks. Please put the date, please put the page number, please put the exercise number also.